Okay, so this is our first stay at the Gaylord Rockies, Colorado, right outside of the Denver airport. Very nicely themed. This is the newest, or currently the newest, Gaylord hotel. They have a great setup for coffee. You can see they got the refrigerator in here. And this is not a small refrigerator. It also has a little freezer spot, which is nice. Some additional storage for your own snacks. There's nothing in there, don't look. Sitting area. It's some sort of, it's not exactly a movie room, but it's separate from the bedroom, which, let's show you what that looks like. Privacy door here, which is also nice. See, it's quite large for a hotel room. Very spacious. I don't really feel cramped in here. If I had to spend a week here, this would be nice. And very nicely set up and themed. And then again, another separate area for the shower. So we're here trying to figure out, is it worth it? It is kind of outside of where you would normally go. So this area is being built up. Hotel's beautiful, the pool is beautiful. They have yoga in the morning. They have a lot of things included. So if you're an indoor or an outdoor person, it looks like this hotel has everything you need, especially if you just want to crash at the end of the day. All right, so we're outside here. Beautiful property. You can see it behind me. Don't look at me. Check out this hotel. Gaylord is amazing. All of their properties are amazing. This one has an Old Hickory Steakhouse, as they all do. But bonus points, an outdoor bar with a large fireplace overlooking the Rockies. Just completely amazing. There's multiple restaurant concepts on grounds. Bikes you can rent, pool, indoor pool. They even have a little trailer bar set up outside. What a great idea.
This is one of the restaurants. It is located on the lobby level, and it is a sports bar. There is two different sections. Up top, it's a cantina, and then downstairs, it's a full restaurant with 30 humongous screens. In front of you there is the trading post. You can get all of your knickknacks that you want to bring home. And then they also have this marketplace that serves Starbucks. If you don't know what a We Proudly Serve Starbucks is, it means that it's just the drinks and not the food. The decoration and the design of this Gaylord Rockies is really on point. You can see there's so much stone and rock being built in, and really high-end wood. You can see that this is the grand entrance. It's a little different than our other Gaylord experiences.
So there's plenty of food and drink out here. Outdoor bar, pickup area for food. They have a little kitchen with grills set up. 12 cabanas that you can rent. Probably a good idea. As you can see here, it's pretty busy, and it's not even a sold-out hotel yet. So everybody having a lot of fun. We're going to get back to it and show you some more stuff.
And on the lower level, we have a spa, and then of course a gym. Let's check it out.
You should definitely check this out. Summer, winter, fall, spring, all year round. Outstanding property.
So we are heading away from the Gaylord. Kim, which Gaylord would you recommend out of all of the different ones?
The Texan.
I agree. Like, this was good. This was really nice. But I think the best one is definitely the Texan. And then keep an eye out for the California Gaylord that opens in 2024.
And the ice show. They're going to do the ice show this year.
Yes, yes. Christmas Story is going to be featured here, and How the Grinch Stole Christmas is going to be featured in Florida. I don't know what the other ones are.
Charlie Brown is going to be
Charlie Brown
out also.
Ooh, Charlie Brown. Maybe we should, you know, do another video on that.
Yeah. Stay warm, everybody.
And be sure to comment, follow us below. And that is your
Buzz with your cuz and your news break.